house that I grew up in, a beautiful escape. We talk for hours and hours and look up at the sky. I had all the questions, but you could tell me why. You told me sunflowers stare at the sun, and how the Milky Way is the galaxy called home. I thought the moon was a crescent. You showed me I was wrong, but where should this
我是老师，关注微信公众号“10位爸爸”，跟我一起用美食陪伴孩子快乐成长。